In the cacophony of modern life, stress often feels like a constant companion, lurking in the shadows of our daily routines. Yet imagine transforming stress from a formidable foe into an ally. With the right tools and techniques at your disposal, such a transformation isn't just possible, it's within your grasp. This essay will guide you through practical, everyday strategies to master stress, enhancing your resilience and overall well-being. Stress is not just a buzzword, it's a survival mechanism. In the wild, stress prepares animals for fight or flight. In humans, it gears us up to handle challenges. But when this stress becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on our health and happiness. This biological response can manifest through increased heartbeat, sweating, and heightened senses. These reactions are useful for immediate action, but when constantly triggered, they can lead to severe health issues. Understanding this is the first step toward mastering stress. By recognizing stress as a natural response rather than an enemy, we can begin to manage it effectively. Stress triggers are unique to each individual. They can be external, like a demanding job or personal relationships, or internal, such as chronic worry or unrealistic expectations. Identifying your personal stress triggers requires introspection and possibly journaling. Once you know what sets off your stress, you can begin to develop strategies to manage or avoid these triggers. Awareness is the cornerstone of effective stress management. Without knowing what causes stress, it's challenging to control it. This part of stress mastery is about turning unconscious reactions into conscious responses. Time is often cited as a significant stressor. Yet it's not about having time, it's about making time. Effective time management is crucial in reducing stress. Prioritizing tasks using tools like the Eisenhower box can help you focus on what's essential. Learn to delegate what you can and be willing to let go of the need to control everything. Remember, taking regular breaks is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Short breaks throughout the day can prevent burnout and keep your mind sharp and focused. Mindfulness is the art of being present. It's about living in the moment and awakening to experience. Meditation, a practice of mindfulness, involves sitting quietly and paying attention to thoughts, sounds, the sensations of breathing, or parts of the body. Even a few minutes of meditation can ease anxiety and rejuvenate your mind. It reduces stress by bringing your attention back to the present. Regular practice can transform meditation from a mere exercise to a daily refuge from stress, offering profound benefits for your mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural stress relievers. Whether it's a brisk walk, a jog, or a yoga session, physical activity is a proven way to alleviate stress. Activities like swimming, cycling, and team sports not only help reduce stress, but also promote overall health. Find an activity you enjoy, and it won't feel like a chore. Consistency is key. Integrating physical activity into your daily routine ensures you reap continuous benefits. Breathing exercises are a quick and accessible way to relieve stress. Techniques such as deep breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, or paced respiration can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. When you breathe deeply, it sends a message to your brain to calm down and relax. The brain then sends this message to your body. Such techniques can be practiced anywhere and anytime, providing an immediate relief. Incorporating these exercises into daily life can significantly improve your body's stress response and increase your overall emotional resilience. Humans are social creatures, and isolation can heighten stress. Building a robust support network of friends, family, and colleagues can provide you with needed emotional support and advice. Share your thoughts and concerns with others. Often, just talking about what is bothering you can help relieve stress. Also, they might offer insights or solutions that you hadn't considered. A strong support network not only helps you manage stress, but also enriches your life with meaningful interactions and connections. What you eat can have a significant impact on how you feel. During times of stress, we often turn to comfort foods high in sugar and fat. However, these foods might make us feel worse in the long run. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and flax seeds can help regulate mood. It's also crucial to stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause more stress. Avoiding caffeine and sugar can prevent the peaks and troughs of energy that exacerbate stress levels. Opt for a balanced diet that supports your body's stress response. Your environment can significantly influence your stress levels. Cluttered, chaotic spaces can mirror and exacerbate internal turmoil. Conversely, a calm, organized space can lend itself to a more relaxed mind. Use soothing colors, natural elements, and personal artifacts that bring joy. Also, ensure your workspace is organized, as a tidy desk can foster a clear mind. Lighting scented candles or using essential oils can also enhance the tranquility of your space, making it a sanctuary from the stresses of everyday life. Sleep and stress have a bidirectional relationship. Stress can lead to sleepless nights, and insufficient sleep can make you more susceptible to stress. Creating a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation and prepares your body for sleep is crucial. Avoid screens before bed, unwind with a book or a bath, and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Quality sleep can strengthen your mind and body's resilience against stress, making you more emotionally and physically capable of handling the demands of daily life. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, techniques can be incredibly effective in managing stress. They involve identifying and challenging negative thought patterns and replacing them with more realistic and positive ones. Understanding the cognitive distortions that contribute to your stress, like catastrophizing or black and white thinking, is the first step. Techniques such as cognitive restructuring can help you view stressful situations more clearly and react to them more positively. These tools empower you to control your thoughts and, consequently, your stress levels. Gratitude shifts your focus from what your life lacks to the abundance that is already present. This can significantly reduce stress by fostering a positive mindset. Start by keeping a gratitude journal, listing 3 things you are thankful for each day. This practice can enhance your long-term well-being by reducing stress and promoting a positive outlook. Even in challenging times, finding things to be grateful for can provide a broader perspective and reduce the overwhelming effects of stress. Routines create a sense of structure and predictability, which can significantly reduce stress. Knowing what to expect and when to expect it can help you manage your time and responsibilities better. Establishing morning and evening routines can start and end your day on a positive note. Regularity in your schedule can also improve your sleep patterns, which, in turn, can reduce stress. A well-structured routine isn't about rigidity. It's about establishing a flow that allows you to tackle stress more effectively. While technology can be a source of stress, it can also be a tool for managing it. Use apps designed to promote relaxation, such as meditation apps, or use technology to stay organized with digital planners. However, it's also important to disconnect regularly. Set boundaries for technology use, especially before bed, to ensure it doesn't interfere with your sleep or personal interactions. Technology should enhance your life, not complicate it. Using it wisely can help you manage stress rather than contribute to it. Building emotional resilience is essential for stress management. It involves developing the ability to adapt to stress and adversity. Techniques like visualization, setting personal boundaries, and positive self-talk can strengthen your emotional resilience. Additionally, practicing adaptive coping mechanisms, such as seeking support when needed, can improve your ability to manage stress. By fostering emotional resilience, you prepare yourself to handle life's challenges with more ease and less anxiety. Setting goals can give you a sense of direction and purpose, reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. However, it's important that these goals are realistic and achievable. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep yourself motivated. Realistic goal setting helps you avoid the stress that comes with chasing unattainable ideals. It allows you to focus on progress, not perfection. Engaging in creative activities can be a powerful way to relieve stress. Art, whether it's painting, writing, or making music, allows you to express yourself in ways that words cannot. Creativity can also shift your focus away from stress and towards something beautiful and productive. It's not about the end product, but about the process of creation, which can be incredibly therapeutic. You don't need to be an artist to benefit from creativity. Simple activities like doodling or crafting can help relieve stress. Herbal remedies and aromatherapy can be complementary therapies for stress management. Herbs like lavender, chamomile, and ashwagandha have been used for centuries to reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. Essential oils can also be used in aromatherapy to help lower stress levels. Scents like lavender, sandalwood, and rose can be soothing and comforting. However, it's important to use these remedies safely and preferably under the guidance of a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Procrastination can significantly increase stress by creating a cycle of urgency, guilt, and overwhelm. Tackling tasks head-on can prevent this cycle from starting. By breaking tasks into smaller, more manageable parts, you can reduce the intimidation factor. Setting clear deadlines and rewarding yourself for meeting them can also help combat procrastination. Managing your time effectively and avoiding procrastination can reduce stress and increase your productivity and satisfaction. Setting boundaries is crucial for stress management. Learning to say no to additional commitments can help you manage your time and energy better. It's important to assess your priorities and recognize when a request is going to stretch you too thin. Being assertive in your communication can help you set these boundaries without guilt. Remember, saying no allows you to say yes to things that are more important, like your health and well-being. Laughter is a powerful antidote to stress. It relaxes the whole body, boosts the immune system, and triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals. Incorporating leisure and fun into your life can help prevent the buildup of stress. Activities that make you laugh and feel lighthearted are important for your mental health. Whether it's watching a comedy, playing a fun game, or simply spending time with friends and family, make sure to include joy in your daily routine. Journaling can be a therapeutic tool for managing stress. It helps you clarify your thoughts and feelings, providing a deeper understanding of yourself. Reflective practices like journaling can help you identify patterns in your stress triggers and determine effective coping mechanisms. Writing down your worries can also lessen their impact. Start with just 5 minutes a day, and you might find that this small investment of time can make a significant difference in your stress levels. Workplace stress is common but manageable. Strategies like organizing your workspace, prioritizing tasks, and communicating effectively with colleagues can help manage stress at work. Creating a supportive work environment involves promoting a balance between professional demands and personal care. Encourage breaks, social interactions, and a positive work culture. Addressing stress in the workplace not only improves productivity, but also enhances job satisfaction and overall well-being. In this essay, we explored various strategies and techniques to manage stress effectively. From understanding stress to utilizing tools like mindfulness and nutrition, each part offers valuable insights into how you can transform your approach to stress. Continuing to apply these techniques and making them part of your daily routine is crucial. Remember, mastering stress is not a one-time task but an ongoing process. Commit to integrating these practices into your life and watch as stress becomes more manageable and less daunting. Embrace the journey of stress mastery and let it lead you to a healthier, more joyful existence.